Jai Hind everyone. Starting with the day 1. Big things often come in very small packages and nanotechnology has proved these lines perfectly. Today I'll be talking on a field that is revolutionizing science and reshaping our future, that is nanotechnology. The angle from which I will be talking today is how this nanotechnology is impacting the healthcare, defense, and our daily life. So, what do you mean by nanotechnology? Nanotechnology refers to the science and engineering materials at the nanoscale, typically ranging between 1 to 100 nanometers. A single nanometer refers to 1 by 1 lakh times to the width of a human hair. At this particular scale, material shows different kinds of properties. For example, increased strength, lighter weight, and more electrical conductivity. Scientists use these properties to make faster, smarter, and more efficient systems. The global nanotechnology market is expected to cross over $150 billion soon. Countries like US, Japan, China, and even India is heavily investing in the nano research. We can say that India's nano mission supports researchers especially in healthcare, electronics, and energy. Nanotechnology is not futuristic now, it is happening right now. In medicine, we can see that nano robots may take soon target over the highly affected diseases, for example, the cancer. In electronics, we can say that the nano chips are making our digital devices more smarter and smaller. In defense, we can see that the nanoparticle coatings in the armor makes the systems more stronger and lightweight. We still face challenges of nanotechnology, the high cost of research and development. The lack of regulations can also lead to misuse or unintended consequences. The impact of this nanotechnology is that it can transform the healthcare system by its personalized treatments. It can strengthen the national security of a nation. It can improve the agriculture, manufacturing, and communication and revolutionize the clean energy for better solar cells and batteries. To conclude, nanotechnology is not just a scientific achievement but a gateway to the future of any nation. Its potential is limitless, but it should be made ethically and responsibly. Thank you. Jai Hind.